operate such and give the lessee, the locator, to actually operate a commercial port. And then you're now saying wala na kayong jurisdiction. But please answer my question. Is there someone from Bureau of Customs na nagsabi na kami na ang magte-take over niyan?
Kung beses ka pumunta, anong pakay mo? Bakit ka pumunta doon?
There was a communication, Your Honor.
What
There
communication?
was a message.
To follow up to the comments made by Senator Villanueva, how I wish, Madam Chair, na in a hearing as important as this, dapat siguro yung Secretary of Foreign Affairs ang andito dahil kung sino-sino pinapadala dito, parang nagpapasahan, Turo, I will defer to, Turo, I will defer to, Madam Chair. So, dapat siguro yung pinaka head of that agency ang andito dahil tayo, you can just imagine the effort that we are exerting here. This is a matter of national security, Madam Chair. Baka hindi lang niyo na-realize kayo sa DFA, baka iniisip niyo puro diplomatic lang trabaho ninyo. Please naman, you should bigyan ninyo ng konting pagtingin yung national security aspect ng inyong trabaho. Yung request ng committee na ito, sana bilisan ninyo. Pati na rin sa DOJ. Huwag tayong maghintay na one day paggising natin, lahat ng mayor dito, lahat ng gobernador, mga Chinese na. At puro mga Pugo people na ang may hawak na ating gobyerno. Siguro, mahirap, Madam Chair, yung nakita tayo, consistent tayo dito sa ating effort. Tapos yung taga-executive department is kung sino-sino pinapadala, pabago-bago yung tao. At wala. Dapat siguro, we have to require the head of agency. For this matter, the Secretary of Foreign Affairs should be here to answer all our queries. Madam Chair, I so move.
Salamat, Senator De La Rosa. It's a very important, not just sentiment, but thought kasi siguro pangatlong hearing na ito na sinasabi nating pasara na tayo, patapos na sana. And we're really looking at answering to a significant degree several important issues. Kaya I agree with what Senator De La Rosa has expressed na sana suklian din ng executive agencies natin yung pag-estima na ibinibigay ng mga senador sa pag-imbestiga dito na sana naging present sila dito sa posibleng huling pagdinig na natin bago i-adjourn itong investigasyon. And so I don't know if there is still time for them to remedy that within today. Pero maraming salamat, dagang salamat para dyan, Senator De La Rosa. Was that a motion that I heard from the good senator?
Yes, I am putting that as a motion. If we are going to have another hearing, which I suppose meron pa, then I am going to make that motion na sana yung secretary na para wala na pasahan ng no more passing of the buck.
In that case po, Senator De La Rosa, kung pwede niyong i-hold in abeyance yung pag-act ng ating komite
Okay,
sa
Madam.
inyong motion as we approach the end of this hearing dahil actually iniisip ko talaga pa-adjourn na tayo ng ating pagdinig. Lalo na tumuntong na tayo dun sa sinabi niyo ang napaka-importanting usapin ng national security. Binanggit ko naman earlier, no, nung palang pagkatapos ng raid, no, sa Bamban Pogo Hub, yung ganyang mga aligasyon na ngayon mukhang mas napapatunayan ng mga ebidensyeng nakakalap natin. So if
Madam Chair, if
if
I
you
may,
agree,
and
salamat tayo.
I
Senator Joe
admire
Bernal.
the motion filed by our dear colleague, and I know for a fact that even if we close the hearing, Madam Chair, of this particular committee, the committees of the Senate will continue to function and will call for hearings because this is, there's a lot of issues that we have unearthed here in this particular hearing. So perhaps, Madam Chair, in the next caucus of the all members caucus of this institution, let us make sure that we ask the secretary or at least the USEC level, because and with all due respect to yung mga nauutusan ng secretary at departments dito, si Attorney Tago is acting director. So acting director pa, tapos si assistant prosecutor. So hilingin naman po natin, Madam Chair at dear colleagues, and I'm appealing to all of you, na kung hindi man secretary, at least yung undersecretary na may alam dun sa usapin natin, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator Joel. And I appreciate the presence of, if not the heads of agencies, but salamat sa BI, then the second in command, like of NBI, the head of PAOK, USEC din, yung mga higher level na mga resource persons na nandirito ngayon, nagpapakita ng pag-estima sa ating investigasyon. So just to go back at this point, and salamat kaayo to Senator De La Rosa for holding in abeyance the action of the committee on his motion till towards the end of today's hearing. So Attorney Tago, sinabi nyo na, no, na DFA can request access to SHE from the Thai government, sabi nyo nga sa ilalim ng mutual legal assistance treaty. Hindi naman natin extradite dito eh. Ang hinihingi lang natin ay makausap siya ng ating mga otoridad. Kayo din sa executive. And I just want to make this of record, dear colleagues. The reason this is important to me is this. I have persuasive information that the file of at least one young brother is with SHE, conforming that young brother as a foreign agent. Kaya napaka-importante po makapag-establish ng communication kay SHE sa pamamagitan ng Thai government sa ilalim niyang Mutual Assistance Treaty, dahil mukhang yung buong gobyerno natin, hindi lang kami sa legislature, kayo po sa executive, may makukuhang importanteng impormasyon para sa proteksyon ng ating gobyerno laban sa ganitong mga foreign covert operations. And lastly, Attorney Tago, for the DFA today, yung pangalan po bang Ma Dongli, lumitaw na po ba sa radar ng department?
Madam Chair, I will defer, Madam Chair, to our Acting Director Van Pongwi with respect to, I believe it has, but
All right, let's hear it straight
I
from
will,
the acting director in charge. Yes, Acting Director Pangwi, please, if you could take the mic again. So, lumitaw na po ba sa radar nyo yung pangalang Ma Dongli?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. The name Ma Dongli so far, as for consular, has not yet been raised. Normally, for consular, we deal, if not for passports, for visa applications, but as for info, it hasn't been raised yet.
Okay. Pero nakita nyo naman sa photos namin, sangkatutak na visas na ang natanggap nitong Ma Dongli, tulad ng sangkatutak na visas ni Shi Zhejiang from at least 3 sources, including CESA and 2 other sources.
Yes, ma'am. We take note of this. For the information of the body, Madam Chair, the DFA only issues tourist, entry visas into the country. And normally, before we issue entry visas, we need to get clearance from 2 other agencies, the Bureau of Immigration and the and NICA, before we issue from our foreign service posts visas, tourist visas for entry to the Philippines. Upon entry to the Philippines, it's up to the other agencies whether they will grant other SRIVs or other visas for longer stay here in the country.
Salamat, Director Pangwi, which brings home the point again and again na ang gulo-gulo kasi ang dami-dami nating ahensyang nag-i-issue ng visas tapos walang consolidation sa database, walang checking, cross-referencing, kaya nalulusutan ang isa o ilan until it comes to an investigation like this in the Senate. Kaya matagal na ring nasisilip ng aming komite na yun yung isang remedial legislation para i-tighten at isara yung mga gaps sa ating mga institusyon at sa ating mga proseso tulad ng visa issuance. Yes, Senator Sherwin.
Madam Chair, si Ma Dongli is not, hindi siya bago sa bansa natin. In fact, checking the flights from 1995 to 2018, he traveled to the Philippines 37 times. No? And then si She Jirjiang, hindi na rin bago sa atin, from 2011 to 2020, he traveled to the Philippines 21 times. No? So, labas-pasok sila sa ating bansa. And we all know that si Mr. She nakulong sa Thailand for the same crimes, no? Human trafficking, scamming, and other criminal activities. Madong Lee is a partner of Mr. She in the Yatay Myanmar company, which operates yung Pogo Hub sa Myanmar. No? So, in other words, magkasama itong dalawang to. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Sherwin. At hindi rin bago sa ating komite yung pangalang Yatay kasi yun yung pinagtrabahuan nung 11 mga Pilipinong na human traffic. Akala nila papunta silang trabaho sa Bangkok, tinraffic sila dun sa Shwekoko region sa Myanmar, sa Yatay din. At dun sila kinailangang i-rescue noon ng mga international NGOs, mga anti-trafficking advocates sa Myanmar, Thailand border at ng ating Philippine Embassy, hindi sa Yangon pero sa Bangkok, kasama nung ilang mga kasamahan natin dito sa Senado. So,
Madam
Yatay.
Chair,
Yes,
May-
Senator De La Rosa.
meron ba tayong BI dito?
Meron po. Actually, sila yung susunod na tatanungin ko. Alright,
Yes.
you may take first crack at it,
Yeah,
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Madam Chair. Attorney Biado,
Yes, boss.
nakita na naman niyo yung mukha ni Madong Lee.
Yes, boss.
Yeah. I hope hindi tayo pagtatawanan nitong mga tao na ito because kung meron tayong sasabing sino bang above kay James Bond? Manood ka na sine.
Si M po, sir.
Yung above kay James Bond, yung
Si-
handler ni James Bond,
Si M.
M. si M.
Yes po.
Kung meron man tayong may M ni James Bond, ito na yun, yung M ng China. Chinese intelligence. Sana huwag tayong pagtatawanan nito mga tao na ito, pabalik-balik sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, hearing tayo. Nanonood yan ngayon, tawa yan ng tawa sa atin. Tapos mamaya, kinabukasan, it's a challenge tayo. Babiyahin na naman yan, papasok sa Pilipinas. At our expense. At our national security expense. At our national interest expense. At our national pride expense. Na ginaganon tayo ng mga tao na ito. Sana kayo sa Bureau of Immigration, gawan na kagad nyo ng alert. I don't know how you do it. Basta pag makita nyo itong tao na ito na papasok sa Pilipinas, kunin nyo kaagad. I don't know how you do it. You know, kayo naman ang immigration, di ba?
Yes po, yung.
Oh, kunin nyo kaagad itong tao na ito. They'll dispose a great danger to our country.
Will do po, yung.
Yung tao na ito, kung meron pang mas above kay James Bond, mas mataas ito kay James Bond, siguruhin natin ito.
Will do po.
Para hindi tayo pagkatawanan.
Yes po, yung.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, last question, General. Ang sabi ni Mary Ann Maslog, nung bumisita siya kay Alice Go sa custodial, ikaw daw ang nagsama sa kanya sa custodial. Is it true?
The first time na pumunta sila with Attorney David, yes, I facilitated na binisita nila siya with Attorney
Were-
David po.
Were you the one instrumental in letting her enter the custodial center in Camp Crame?
The first time, yes, Your Honor.
Did you talk to the guards there?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, we registered, Your Honor.
Okay, the second time around,
I was
were you
not there already.
instrumental? Huh?
Wala na po ako. Sa second time, hindi na po.
How did she enter custodial without your go signal? How did you enter, Marian? The second time
Ms.
around.
Maslog.
Actually po, that day I informed General Macapas na babalik po ako sa loob po.
No, the general just said hindi niya alam na pupunta ka sa custodial sa pangalawang pagbisita mo kay Go Huaping.
He actually know, ma'am.
Oh, alam mo
I
daw,
texted-
General
I texted
Masapak.
him.
Masapak, ano?
Macapas, General Macapas.
Makapas, masapak.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
makapas.
Your Honors, please. Ang aware ako na sinamahan ko sila the first time, minsan lang.
Eh, yung second time daw, alam mo, sabi ni Mary Ann,
Ay, hindi na po ako, hindi
Eh,
ko na alam.
eh,
Madam Chair, Senator Jinggoy,
Senator De La
just
Rosa.
one. General Macapas,
Yes, sir.
anong purpose mo? Bakit mo sinamahan doon?
As I have said,
Bakit mo
sir,
sinamahan? Anong purpose?
as I have said, sir, they were the first people na nakunta ko po para ma-aresto ko si Alice. So,
Tapos na, na-arresto na eh.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
na.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
na. Oh, nakakulong
Out
na
of-
si Alice ngayon sa kulungan. What's your business going to Alice Go? Anong purpose mo doon? Bakit kayo pinuntahan niyo? Kasama mo si Maslog.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors, out of gratitude lang, sir, sa tulong ni Attorney David, through them, nakuha ko si Alice.
Gratitude.
General, wag naman.
Mas
Hindi po gratitude. Professionals po kayo.
na
Oo, hindi po ito usapin ng utang na loob. You did your jobs. It was a job well done. Sorry
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
Senator De La Rosa, pero gratitude, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganyang salita in this context. Please proceed, General. Senator De La Rosa.
May I
Yeah,
just,
please go ahead.
interject?
Senator Joel.
Yes, Madam Chair. General, doon sa Indonesia, yung pag-aresto kay Alice, nakita mo si Mary Ann Maslog, General?
General.
Nakita mo siya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nakita ko siya doon sa Indonesia at that time.
O, so nung nakita mo siya, hindi mo siya tinanong, teka lang, asset kita, bakit nandito ka? Nang hindi ko alam.
Actually, sir,
ibang usapan na
lang
ito.
ang kinukuha ko sa kanya, sir, Your Honors. During the time na pumunta siya doon sa second time, nakita ko siya doon na sa may, I think,
General, simple lang ho yung tanong ko. Nung makita niyo siya, hindi niyo siya tinanong bakit siya nandun?
sinabi niya sa akin, sir, na pumunta siya, gusto niyang makita si Alice.
Wow.
Pwede po ba yon, General? At pumayag ba kayo?
May 100 million gusto ring lumipad doon eh. Papayagan nyo na pumunta din doon para makita.
Do, hindi namin siya pinayagan na makakita, Your Honors.
General, uulitin ko yung sinabi nyo. Gusto
Opo.
ho namin kayong paniwalaan pero medyo nagdududa na po ako sa inyo ngayon kasi sabi nyo, kaya nyo siya tinap dahil may access siya kay Attorney David na lahat ng media outlets dito sa Pilipinas may access kay Attorney David na i-interview na madaling ano. Tapos, itong masakit na sa tenga, pumunta siya ng custodial kung saan nandun si Alice Go, pinapasok nyo, sinama nyo, nandun ka at sabi mo, gratitude. Meron kang gustong mangyari doon, bakit mo siya pinapasok at kasama mo? At pangalawang beses, kung hindi mo siya binigyan ng authority at di mo siya binigyan ng poder para i-exercise yung kanyang kapangyarihan na tao mo siya, hindi siya makakapasok doon. Am I right? On the second time around. So what is it, General?
Your Honors, please, yung sa second time, hindi ko po talaga alam. Pero the first time, yes, alam ko, tumawag sila sa akin, nabibisitahin nila si Alice, kasama si Attorney David. Yes, Your Honors, hanggang doon sa
Why, General?
Hospital.
Why? You are saying kaya mo siya tinap para sa pagsuko ni Alice. That's what you're saying. Now na nandito na, arestado na, why? Why are you still cuddling her? Why are you still giving her all the powers and the benefits of being your special aid, Your Honor? Gusto naming maintindihan. So hindi na ang dahilan is maaresto si Alice, makuha si Alice, hindi na. Ano na ngayon? Ano na ngayon yung rason?
Sirs, can I, Your Honors, please, can I report directly to the Senate?
To
Report
who?
what, sir?
To the committee, Your Honors, can I request for,
Where are you?
You are speaking to the committee, General.
can I request for, what I mean is, Your Honors,
No.
an executive session?
No, no. No. No way.
General, patapos na
Sorry.
sana kami sa investigasyong ito. And we expect sa mga katrabaho namin sa gobyerno, yung candor. Kasi, kumbaga, sa kasong ito, panalo ang gobyerno eh. So, dapat may transparency sa isa't isa para klaruhin lahat ng detalye ng nangyaring ito sa kaso ng Pogos at sa kaso ni Guo Huaping. So, please be
Sa-
candid and transparent with the committee, General.
Madam
Yes,
Chair,
Your
Sa
Honor.
SP Pro Tempore,
Hindi,
sandali
sagutin
lang.
lang yung tanong ni Senator Joel. We will wait for your answer.
Yes, sir. The reason why na sumama ako, nag-facilitate ako during their visit is actually, sir, Your Honors, ang sabi ni Ma'am Jessica, mayroon si Alice i-reveal na informasyon vital sa kampanya natin.
Ano yun?
Panya,
Ano yun? Impormasyon na yun.
Ah,
anong
May
vital
mga-
information?
Sige.
may mga involved pa na malalaking tao. Alice
Yun
Lim,
na.
sabi niya,
Yun na. Yung pangalan ni President Duterte, pangalan ko, pangalan ni Bungo, pangalan ni General Karamat, na i-implicate doon sa pinabit na hinahanda ni Maslog. Yun na.
Were you successful
no sir,
in getting information from Alice Go?
we get information from Alice different from the story, sir.
Different
What
from that
was the
story.
information
What
that you
was
got?
that? What was the info? What was that information?
That's why, sir, if the committee will allow me, sir,
No, no.
I can reveal everything, sir, doon sa executive session as there are names implicated, sir. Actually, recorded yun, sir, yung
May audio
deb-
recording kayo?
Yes, Your Honors, during our debriefing with Alice.
Madam Chair, I think since we are already deep into this conversation, and it's we owe it to the Filipino people to
Yes.
know the details of this new
Yes.
angle.
Revelation.
Bago ho to eh.
Oo.
Hindi ako personally, I'm not in agreement to do an executive session.
Me too.
Dapat ho sabihin ho ngayon
Yes.
sa ating hearing.
Yes, I agree, Senator Sherwin.
Madam Chair,
General, yes, SP Pro
I do not
Tempore.
agree to
Yes.
hold an executive session. The Filipino people ought to know what is happening, and this is a new revelation. You better start talking now, General.
Let me also associate myself, Madam
Senator
Chair, to
Joel.
the statements made by my colleagues, Senator Gatchalian and Senator Estrada.
Hmm.
I am not in favor of executive session. I am with the Filipino people. We wanted to know the truth. We are spending public funds.
Yep.
Masakit isipin na yung kagaya nitong isang Mary Ann Masnog gagamit at magre-reimburse ng salapi ng bayan para sa kanyang mga trips, Madam Chair.
Yes, General. Wala pang nagmo-motion para mag-executive session gaya ng sinasabi nyo. May mga objections na talaga sa buong komite. So wala pong susuporta sa ganong proseso. And I urge you, General, bilang resource person ng komite na nanumpa na magsasabi ng totoo at buong katotohanan, sagutin nyo na po sa amin ngayon yung tanong na iyan.
You better start revealing the truth, General. Sorry, Madam Chair.
SP Pro Tempore.
Come on. Alam mo, hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch.
Yes, Your Honors. Since na ayaw niya akong pagbigyan po ng
Hindi po talaga.
Yes, sir. Your Honors.
You don't deserve.
Ganito po. Yung sinasabi na ni Senator Bato na i-drop yung mga pangalan ng iba, hindi po yun ang sinabi ni Alice.
Okay. Ano
During-
ang sinabi niya?
During our debriefing po, ang sabi ni Alice ay during the raid doon sa Bamban kasi hindi ko fully memorize yung actually meron akong Your Honor, meron akong transcribe na result nung ano namin,
Yung
Yung-
debriefing.
debriefing, pero wala dito, hindi ko po hawak ngayon.
Yung naaalala nyo po sa debriefing na iyon, pakisabi na po sa aming komite ngayon.
Your Honor, kasi sa ngayon gusto ko pong malaman din po ng committee ito, sirs, I am not certain if I still have the authority to reveal the information. Kung pwede pa bang sabihin sa committee.
Why
in
don't you have
public.
the authority, General?
Your Honor, please, kung pwede, magpaalam muna ako sa authority, aking chief
Sino?
PNP.
Estorbohin nyo pa si Chief PNP Marbil. You are in a Senate committee hearing. Nanumpa po kayo kanina. Sabihin yung the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. To
Yes,
this
I
nagsimula na
understand.
po kayong sumagot,
I understand it, Your Honor.
General.
Sa kulungan ni Alice Go for that purpose alone? Makipagkwentuhan? Ha? Do you want this committee to believe you? Na magkwentuhan lang? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong pakay mo? Bakit ka pumunta doon?
There was a communication, Your Honor.
What
There
communication?
was a message po.
Miss
Your Honor.
Maslog, ibaba niyo po yung tono niyo.
I'm
in
sorry.
answer.
Go ahead,
I'm
Madam Chair.
Ano yung communication?
Kaya
sorry.
siya magtaas ng boses.
No, I'm sorry, Your
Okay,
Honor.
so
It's
what,
just,
tell us about the communication.
okay, Your Honor. There was a communication of a person named ALG.
Initials of Alice Leal Guo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
There was a communication of ALG na kumakausap po sa amin, sa akin po sa messages. And also talk to the good general. So yung pong message po na yon po involved a lot of people.
Like who?
Hindi ko nga po just
A
a
lot of people, hindi mo maalala. Ay, very selective naman yung memory mo. Alam mo, a lot of people, tapos hindi mo masabi ngayon. Sino? Involve a lot of people. Sinong people? Oh, takot ka na merong hahabol sa'yo after this hearing? Sino?
that communication po, Your Honor, from an ALG was telling the general mga pangalan po ng mga tao.
Kaya nga, sino nga yung mga tao na yun?
Ano involvement ng mga taong ito? Ano ginagawa nito mga taong ito na nabanggit mo?
Miss Maslog?
Madam Chair, hindi
Yes,
niya
Senator De La
masabi-sabi.
Rosa.
Dahil siya mismo ang may hawak ng affidavit na gustong papirmahan kay Alice Go na ipinpoint si President Duterte, Senator Go, Senator Bato at si General Karamat na nasa likuran ng Pugo Operations.
No, sir.
Yan ang totoo. Huwag ka magsinungaling dito.
Sir, there was
Ah.
no affidavit po. That's
Wow.
not true, sir.
Alice, pumunta siya doon sa'yo two times?
Go Happy.
Pumunta siya doon 2 times? You may answer this or not. Basta pumunta ba siya 2 times? Bumisita?
Madam Chair, opo, 2 times po.
O, pumunta siya. Anong purpose ng magpunta niya doon sa'yo?
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, can I consult my lawyer po?
Okay, you can talk to your lawyer.
Miss Maslog. So,
Yes, ma'am.
ano yung kahit ilan sa mga maraming pangalan na sinasabi mong information na yan? Sinight ka na namin in contempt.
I know, Your Honor.
You are here in the Senate. At kahit ubus na ang PC namin sa isang resource person, pag cited in contempt, at nasa custody ng Senate, well, of course, pending this coordination with the NBI. So you are not only in the protection of the NBI, pati kahit ubos na ang PC namin sa inyo, pati protection ng Senate. So what is your answer to our question?
Your Honor,